Okay, tá me gol I dro chun bhío anseo an bóthir castaí go Garnamart ó Garnamart rámuid go Oileán Acla marta gig agam sa féile kites ar fáil Battle of the Lake ach céir hain Battle of the Lake féile kites ar fáil agus céim fá Oileán Acla fan go bhecamaids. Támuid fágáil mór hir in ar agus gol paradráid go dtí an Oileán Acla fan Battle of the Lake féile kites ar fáil. Gully draw, safety wheel. Okay, Tom in shot is the Winter Acla agus Maeve Kafki as an Oileán Acla who in the Dominish Acla tan years back on it. Years back on so Shaskadi back in the 60s and 70s. Tom crack chapter Ash
tá culver an shogan. Tá Gui, tá Arga, tá Nadini, tá Corja, Kjol. Culver
shit up here. Támuid fós ar bád Oileán an loch Oileán a kite surfers I love an anseo. Tá sé ligin Támuid seo le François Coulissy an fearrtá Guinness ar an féile I lig.
Con nasta tattoo.
Mór tá me go má.
Yeah.
Or mágad.
Up Míle.
Up Míle.
So it's 10 years anniversary. It's a celebration of life, celebration of what we love, water sports and music, what we embrace, the wide Atlantic way with the waves and the wind.
Up Míle. Merci beaucoup François.
Thank you very much for coming.
Bon anniversaire.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Peace ici.